Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we are checking out how you can add web apps and web pages to your library. So what you're going to want to do first is go into your library and you're going to want to open up your browser. Find that there. Once you're in your browser, you're going to want to go to the web page or the web app that you want to add. I'm just going to click on Reddit here just for an example. In the top right corner, click on those three dots. You're going to scroll down and you're going to see Add Page to Your Library. Here you can change the name of it. You'll see the link of it. Hit add. Go into our library here. And it is just going to take a second for it to get in there. So there you can see it there, Reddit, first page. The top three buttons will just go to your details and to remove it. So let's show you one more here. Maybe there's an actual game or something you like online. Here's your archery trials here. Once that's loaded up there, again, just go to the top right corner, select that, add to your library, and you're good to go. Make sure you check out my other MetaQuest tips. I've got a whole playlist full of them. I'll link that below. We'll see you next time on True North VR.